Thanks to Fifine for the collaboration with the new release of the M9 wireless lavalier mic system that we have right here. The highlights of the M9 are that it has active noise cancellation. It can be used up to a range of around 100 feet and the battery lasts till about 5 hours. Keynote is that this mic system only retails for between $60 and $70. So you're getting two mics with the receiver and the charging box. So this could be a really good deal at that price. Just for reference, this is how I'll be using and recording my audio on the DJI Pocket 3 right through the M9 via the provided 3.5 to USB-C cable that I forgot to tell you about when I did the unboxing. So yes, you get 3 cables. So let's open this up really quick so you can just get an idea of what's in this box. Of course, we got the pamphlet, tells you how to use everything, right? Boom, shaka-laka boom. Let's get rid of this box. You got its own little case here. And in the case, boom, fake it. Let's fake that I unzipped it. Look, they put the cables on my table and the muffs. It's incredible. It's like I was practicing. Inside here are 2 cables, the phone and the camera. And then you have the little wind muffs that go right on top of the mics. And in the case here, you do get a charging wire here, USB-A to USB-C. And here's the unit itself. And when you open it up, it tells you how many lights you have to charge on here. And you can see everything is blinking, that it's charging. Here's one of the mics themselves. And it's basically just really simple. You got your noise cancellation. If you hit that, the light goes on, you turn it off, this links it, and you got your mic on top and your power. So linking means by pairing, and then it's pretty simple with this thing too, which they all have the same clips, and then you can record in stereo or mono. This links it to the mic. You have some headphone outs right there, and then it tells you what you're connected to. So you can see there's no levels here. So you're gonna have to check your levels, you're gonna have to listen. Obviously, you're gonna have to look in your software. But this is the whole little case, which is nice because it's just so easy to take, right? And you got a little USB-C. And then you could just put that right in, boom, and zip that up. All right, good job, Fine. I'm doing a little test now with the DJI. This is the Pocket 3, and we're going to take a little walk with this, and this is what it sounds like with no noise cancellation, because this does have noise cancellation, so I'm just letting you know. And I'm taking a little stroll around the block. It's winter time in New Jersey, so it is a bit cold, but we got a nice day. It's a little cloudy, but you get an idea of what things sound like as I take a stroll around the block. And I'll give you a little show what's going on. My neighbor's taking down some Christmas stuff still, and this is what it sounds like. So just remember, this does have a mono and stereo. So if you want to record 2 mics at one time, you record in stereo, and this way you can have 2 separate tracks to edit later on as you bring it into your software. And then I'm going to put some noise cancellation on and let you hear what it sounds like. All right, so now I have it with the noise cancellation on. So before, as we were talking, there was no noise cancellation, and which is pretty good because I'm coming right up to the main road. And I just wanted to see, maybe you can hear the cars going by. When it's quiet right now, I'll stop talking. The car's coming up behind me. How does that sound? And then I'll do it with it off now. So let's check. All right, and now we're walking with the no noise cancellation on as you hear the cars going by. Now I want to give you a quick comparison. This is the DJI Mic 2 paired with the Pocket 3. So this is the original mic that it comes with in the creator package. And this is what it sounds like. Now, remember, this records in 32-bit float. And we know that this whole mic system that's equivalent to what the Fifine is like $350. So the comparison of 70 to 350, but still, this just gives you an idea of what this sounds like. This is the DJI Mic 2 in comparison. All right, so now we're back on the Fifine mic, and this is what it sounds like. Here's the easiest thing to do is just wheel out 100 feet. So I'm going to do, see where we are, and we'll go from there. So let's walk out and see how it sounds, and we'll see if this is coming in loud and clear. I have it on the lowest setting as far as how loud I can pick up this mic. It's fairly quiet around me, so, and I'm hitting the levels on the Pocket 3 that I need to. But let's take a quick look around. We're about halfway now, and this is what it's looking like behind me. And right now, I'm coming up on almost 100 feet, and this is what it's going to sound like. So right now, we are definitely at 100 feet, and this is what it's sounding like. And you can see me, I'll wave down there. I'm pretty far away. There's no need for anybody to be any further than this, that's for sure. But what I'll do is I'll go up about another 40 or 50 feet just to see if you're losing me or not. And you can get an idea if you're on the edge of maybe your recordings. And so at this point, we're probably about 135 feet or so. I'm down here. This is what it sounds like. And now I'm facing the camera with the mic, and the mic is on my chest. And let's get closer and see how I sound. Are you getting closer? Now we are getting closer, and this is what it sounds. You should easily be picking me back up again as I walk towards the camera. So this is it. It's New Jersey, and today's not so bad out. It's about, I would say, 40-ish degrees, but we're supposed to go down into the teens and single digits come in a couple of days, and we're supposed to get some snow on Sunday. So I didn't have much time to jump out here and finish up this recording, but here I am right now, and we did our distance test. I wanted to just give you a little bit of what it sounds like with noise cancellation, and if you hear that modulating kind of electro voice kind of sound, then this is what you're hearing. But this is what it sounds like with the noise cancellation on, and this is what it sounds like when I hit the noise cancellation off. So after taking that stroll outside, I think the first thing you're going to ask is, did it really sound like that when you put noise cancellation on? And yes, it did. I've tried it a couple times. It just sounds super robotic, and I don't even know if that's usable. I feel like if you're going to try to find something around $60 or $70 to get some kind of improvement on that, you would definitely be spending $100 or more. But with the noise cancellation off, I thought it sounded decent, pretty good for the money. I don't think you can find much better for $60, $70. But once again, I'm going to put the noise cancellation on and let you listen. Okay, so right now I have the noise cancellation on, and this is what this is sounding like. So whether or not you could put up with this, I'm not really sure, but this is what it sounds like with noise cancellation off. And again, this is what it sounds like with the noise cancellation off. So otherwise, I think it's a pretty good sounding mic in general. So you'll have to decide for yourself whether or not this is going to be good enough for you. But here you go, fine, at a price of $60 to $70. So thanks a lot. I appreciate it. If you felt that this helped you in any way, please hit the like and don't hesitate to subscribe. Please, I'm a small YouTube channel trying to do my best, and I really appreciate everybody who watches and subscribes, and I'll catch you on the next video. Thanks a lot, everyone.